Hello students, in previous video we have done the properties of division of fractional numbers. Now today we will do the word problems based on the division of fractional numbers. So we have worksheet number 13 based on it. So in this we have to solve the word problems. So let us discuss the first word problem. So here the question is, a piece of ribbon is 5 and 3 by 5 meter long. The length of the ribbon is given. If it is cut into 14 equal pieces, 14 equal pieces में उसको cut कर दिया, what is the length of each piece? So here the length of the ribbon is given and we have distributed the ribbon into 14 equal pieces. That means for equal distribution we have to divide. So as we have done in previous classes, we have learned that for equal distribution, जब भी हमें किसी भी चीज का equal distribution करना होता है, then we have to divide and we have to find out the length of each piece. One piece की हमें जो है लेंथ निकालनी है. सो इसको इस तरह से भी समझ सकते हैं कि इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, और यू कैन से दैट हमने पहले भी किया है कि जब हम मैनी टू 1 बनाते हैं, मैनी का 1, सो 14 इक्वल पीसेस की लेंथ है 5 and 3 by 4 मीटर्स, तो 1 पीस की लेंथ कितनी हो जाएगी. सो इन दिस वे ऑल्सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो यू आई होप यू रिमेंबर, जब हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें दी होती है मैनी and we have to find out one, then in that case we have to divide. And secondly, when we have to distribute the things equally, or you can say equal distribution जब हमें करना होता है, then also we have to divide. So for equal distribution also we have to divide. So in both the cases हमें समझना है question, try to understand the question and then solve it. So solution number 1. So what is given? Total length of ribbon, total length of ribbon, that is 5 and 3 by 5 meter long, and then number of pieces, how many number of pieces it is cut. So number of pieces, that is 14. Now length of one piece. So here the total length of the ribbon is given and then we have distributed this length into 14 equal parts. How many equal parts? 14 equal parts. So one piece of length, one piece की length निकालने के लिए we have to divide. So 5 and 3 by 5, first of all convert it here only. So this is in mixed form, we have to convert this into improper fraction. 5 by 25 plus 3 is 28 upon 5 meter. So we will divide it 28 upon 5 meter divided by 14. So you know what we have to do in division. We convert this division sign into multiplication sign. How? By writing the reciprocal of the whole this divisor. So it will become 1 upon 14. Now 28 upon into 1 upon 5 into 14. Now check कुछ कटता है तो yes, 14 के टेबल में 28 आता है. 14 1s are 14 and 14 2s are 28. So it is 2 upon 5 meter. Here 2 1s are 2 and 5 1s are 5. So 2 upon 5 meter. So write the length of each piece of ribbon is 2 upon 5 meters. So the next question, the product of two fractions. The product of two fractions is 9. Here the product is given कि दो fractions को multiply करके हमारा आंसर आता है 9. If one of the fraction is given, find the other fraction. हमें product given है, one fraction given है, हमें second fraction निकालना है. So just try to understand this question first, then we will do the solution. So here let us take an example. Suppose 2 multiplied by a number dash is equal to 10. Suppose मुझे one number given है 2 और उन दोनों का numbers का product मुझे given है. We have to find this number, second number. Product मुझे given है 10, one number given है 2, तो मैं 2 को किससे multiply करूँगा 10. So how can we find out this second number? So what we have to do, हम इस जो product है उसको मैं divide कर देता हूँ जो given number से. 2 5s are 10. So यहाँ पर मेरा आएगा 5. Second number क्या होगा मेरा 5. So in this way we can find the second number. But in this question we have to find the fraction. So the product of two fractions. Two fraction. How much? That is 9. Now one fraction. Out of these two, one fraction is 2 and 1 upon 7. 2 and 1 upon 7. So convert this into improper fraction. 7 to the 14 plus 1 15 upon 7. Now other fraction. We have to find out the other fraction. So what we will do? यहाँ पर हमने one given है और product given है. Then how can we find out the other fraction? By dividing. So divide 9 by the given fraction. So you know how to divide. We have to write the reciprocal of the divisor and convert it into multiplication. So it will become 7 upon 15. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now is there anything in these numbers जो same number के table में आए? Yes, 9 and 15. 9 and 15 comes in the table of 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. Anything else? No. All the three numbers are prime. So 7 3s are 21 and 5. Now convert this into an improper fraction. So 5 4s are 20. So this is 4 and 1 by 5. So this is the another fraction. So therefore the other fraction is 4 and 1 upon 5. Next one, C part. It takes half minute. 1 by 2 minutes means half minute to cook one dosa. One dosa पकाने में कितना टाइम लगता है? Half minutes. How many dosas can be cooked in 1 by 4 hour? So 1 by 4 hour डोसा कुक करने में 1 by 4 hours में हम कितने डोसाज कुक कर सकते हैं? हाफ मिनट लगता है वन डोसा कुक करने में, तो 1 by 4 hour में कितने डोसाज हम कुक कर सकते हैं? So you can see here this is given in minutes. यहाँ पर हाफ मिनट में 1 डोसा कुक होता है, ये मिनट्स में. But here the question is asked in 1 by 4 hours. 1 by 4 hour, so units are different. So first of all we have to make the units same. हम या तो इसको आर में कन्वर्ट करें या इसको हम मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट करें. So it is more easier to convert this 1 by 4 hour into minutes. So you know how to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. So let us try. So solution number 3. Yes. So time taken to cook one dosa. वन डोसा कुक करने में कितना लगता है? 1/2 minutes. Now, how many dosas can be cooked in 1/4 hours? So, number of dosas cooked in. So, first of all, we will convert this 1/4 hour into minutes. Then we will write 1/4 hours. How can we convert this 1/4 hours into minutes? So here we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit. So bigger unit को smaller unit बनाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We have to divide. Divide किससे करते हैं? What is the relation between the hour and the minute? How many minutes are there in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So we'll multiply 1/4 by 60 minutes. So here you know how to multiply. So यहाँ पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं? आपका फ्रैक्शंस जो है मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए हम लोग न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर से डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो 1 × 60/4. अब इसमें आप कट कर सकते हैं. आप 4 के टेबल में 60 आ जाएगा इफ़ यू डिवाइड. अगर आपने डायरेक्ट भी करना है तो 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. सो 4 1 ज़ा 4 एंड 4 5 ज़ा 20. सो 15 minutes. आप रफ में इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. You will get the answer. So 15 minutes. Now you have to find out the number of dosas cooked in 15 minutes. So how can you find out the number of dosas cooked in 15 minutes? You have to divide this 15 minutes by 1/2. So number of dosas cooked in 15 minutes. So what you will do? So you will divide 15 divided by 1/2. So you will find the number of dosas cooked in 15 minutes. So you know how to divide. So 15 multiplied by, write the reciprocal of the divisor, 2/1 or 2, both are same. So 15 2s are 30 dosas. So 30 dosas can be cooked in 1/4 hours. Why I have written 1/4 hours? Because question is asked in hours. That's why I am writing answer in hours. So in this way you can solve the word problems based on division of fractions. Here the 2 word problems are left. Try to solve those 2 parts. In next video we will discuss them and start the brain teasers. Thank you.